Welcome back, everyone. We always keep an eye on the AI agent store, that great resource for finding specialized enterprise tools.
Yeah, it's become pretty essential for tracking what serious companies are deploying.
Exactly. And today we're looking at one we found there called Phonic Voice AI.
Ah, Phonic.
Yeah.
Yes, what's really interesting about them, I think, is their focus. It's an end-to-end platform, sure, but they're hammering on reliability,
Hmm.
making voice agents you can actually depend on in a business context.
Okay, let's dig into that. The spec that really kind of jumps out is this combination of hyper-realistic voices and super low latency. Around 300 milliseconds, they say.
Mm-hmm.
Why 300? Why is that fraction of a second such a big deal maybe for like a customer experience lead?
What, 300 milliseconds?
Yeah.
That's basically right at the edge of what humans perceive as instantaneous.
Okay.
Go much over maybe 400 milliseconds, and you feel the delay. It sounds clunky, robotic almost.
Right. Frustrating.
Exactly. And when you're talking complex interactions, maybe high-stakes stuff like in healthcare,
Like scheduling or...
yeah, or processing an insurance claim, that smooth, real-time feel. It's not just nice to have. It actually reduces confusion,
Mhm.
speeds things up, lowers average handle time, helps complete more calls successfully. It's designed for those operational folks.
Okay, so it's fast,
Yeah.
but it's also listed with a 75% autonomy level. That seems, well, pretty independent for a customer service bot.
It is, yeah.
What's behind that? What allows its intelligent decision system to handle tricky conversations without needing a human every time?
So it's built to move beyond those old, rigid decision trees.
Yeah, the ones that break easily.
Totally. That 75% means it can handle the messy stuff, clarifying when someone's unclear, maybe pulling info from different places at once, adapting mid-conversation, all without someone having pre-programmed every single possible path.
Okay, 75% is impressive, definitely. But that implies, what, 1 in 4 times it might still need help? How does that practically affect, say, a contact center?
It means the agent handles the bulk, the predictable complexity, reliably. That frees up your human agents who are, let's face it, expensive, to deal with the really unique situations, the ones needing deep empathy or negotiation or very specialized knowledge that falls into that other 25%.
Yeah.
It takes the load off.
Got it. And for the big organizations using this, deployment seems flexible. It's not just a cloud API, right? They mention a fully containerized on-premises setup.
Yes, that's key for some.
Can you break that down? What does containerized on-prem actually mean for an executive thinking about security or control?
Think of it like getting the AI software neatly packaged in its own secure box
Okay.
that you can then run entirely inside your own company's walls, on your own computers. No data necessarily has to leave your control.
So for finance, maybe? Or government?
Exactly. Places with super strict security rules or where they absolutely need to guarantee that low latency by controlling the whole environment, taking the public internet variable out of the equation.
Makes sense. And adoption-wise, the popularity level is listed at 41%. How should we interpret that number?
Well, considering this is a paid, closed-source tool aimed at specific, often regulated industries, 0.41% isn't just general buzz. It suggests pretty significant buy-in and successful use within those target sectors. It indicates that major players are actually trusting it for important workflows.
So putting it all together for you listening, maybe think about this. How does that specific combination, the high reliable autonomy at 75% and that ultra low, almost imperceptible latency of 300 meters,
Yeah.
how does that fundamentally change what we should expect from customer service AI?
Yeah, it moves beyond just basic automation, doesn't it? It's about delivering responsiveness that feels genuinely helpful and doing it reliably at scale.
Interesting point.
And if you want to look into Phonic Voice AI or other kinds of specialized enterprise-focused agents like this, the place we found it is a good starting point. AIagentstore.ai.
Definitely worth checking out. As always, we really appreciate you taking a moment to rate this discussion. Thanks for tuning in.